Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are doing ayah number 90, Surah Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Bi'sa mashtarau bihi anfusahum an yakfuru bima أن يكفروا بما أنزل الله بغيا بئس ما. Whenever any letter is attached with Hamza, it gets a strong stop. Why? Because Hamza is a very strong letter and it cuts off the sound. That's why it's just like a choking sound. Bi, bi, ti, fi. So any letter attached with Hamza will get this sound, a choking sound. Bi, sa, sa is short. Open your jaws for fatha. Mash, this meme is not animal long because this is directly attached with sheen. Mash, and there's rukhawa on sheen, tafashi. The sound will be spread. Mash, ta, short. O raw 2 counts long. B for kasra, give e sound, 2 count. It's short. B, he 4 haraka long. Why it's 4 haraka long? Because if you will find harf mad and harf mad are 3. Alif sakina qablaha maftuh, waw sakina qablaha madmum. Yes, you are right. And ya sakina qablaha maksur. These are the 3 mad letters. These are called mad asli, natural mudud. Like these are natural sounds which are naturally long. So if any of any one of these combination will come, and if you will find Hamza right after this combination, it will not be 2 haraka long anymore. It will be 4 haraka long because there is Hamza after this combination. So number 1, this combination comes and then Hamza comes. You will be stretching it 4 haraka long. Bihi, there's ikhfa. You will hide the sound of noon and you will go to get ready to pronounce fa, fu. For dhamma, circle your lips, sa, short. Hum, circle your lips for dhamma, and there's sakun on meme, and it will get tawassut at medium flow of sound. Fusa, hum. Like you will not stop the sound right there then, but you will let the sound of meme flow, not too much, not too short. Hum, I, for fatha, open your jaws, and for hamza, give a very sharp, clear sound. I, and it has adgham. You are merging this sound of noon into ya, so the ghunna is here and you're giving the sound of ya. I, ya, yak, and it is attached with kaf. There is hams on kaf. Yak, fu, circle for lips, circle your lips for dhamma, and for fa, what you use the edge of frontal to teeth touching lower lip. Yakfuru, ru 2 counts long because this is here. Look, it is 2 haraka long. Ru, waw sakina qablaha mum. B, very short sound. Ma, 4 haraka long because this is harf mad and a hamza comes right after it. Bima, ikhfa, za. You are hiding noon here. Za, short, and there is buzzing sound in za. Za, lallahu. this lam will be light, but lafz jalala's lam will be heavy. Whenever you will find fatha, sorry, fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, Allah. And if you will find fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you will make this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name lam will you will make it heavy. Anzalallah, and making this heavy gives the sound of law, which we study and which we follow. Law. Law. Sorry. This is what I'm trying to write down. Law. Sorry. Anzalallahu. Circle your lips for dhamma for any dhamma letter. Ghain is heavy, but ghain has rakhawa. The sound should flow. Baghyan. Very clear sound of tanween because it has izhar. Baghyan. Ay. For fatha, open your jaws, and for hamza, give very clear sound from your throat. You for dhamma, circle your lips and give very soft sound of ya. You nazi. There is buzzing sound of za. Nazi lallahu. Again, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy here because you find fatha before it. Who will be short. Circle your lips for dhamma. And what if you will find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name? Obviously it will get light. So there are only 3 harakat. So if you'll find fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it will get heavy. And if you'll find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it will get light. So here it's heavy. Min fadlihi. He, 2 counts long. Fad, fa short. Dad, there is istitala. Fadli, li short. He, 2 counts long. A, from your throat. La, 2 counts long. Ala. May, the idgham bagunna, with gunna. So keep your sound in your nose and merge this noon into ya. Maya, ya short. Sha, 4 haraka long, because after mad you find hamza. Yasha'u, circle your lips for dhamma. Min, noon very clear, it is izhar. IZ is the abbreviation for izhar. Min, I, ain from your throat, and kasra, for kasra give e sound. I, ba, 2 counts long. Di, short. He, 2 counts long. Min ibadihi. And if you want to stop here, you'll say min ibadi. Fa, short. Ba, 4 haraka long because there is mad letter and it is followed by dhamma. Faba'u, 2 counts long. B, short. Gha, heavy. Do, short, heavy and short. B, short. Ghain, heavy and short. Dod, heavy and short. B, gha, to, bin. A, ain from your throat. La, 2 counts long. Gha, heavy and short. Do, when we are stopping here, we will connect this dot with ba, and there will be qalqa on ba. Ghadab, ghadab. Wa, circle your lips for to pronounce wow, and for fatha open your jaws. Lil, every kasra give e sound, and there is the wasat on lam. walil ka, 2 counts long, fi short, ri 2 counts long, na short, walil kafirina, a from your throat, the 2 counts long. For pronouncing dal, you have to put your uh, tip of your tongue under 2 frontal teeth. Ada, bun, bum. It's idgham baghunna. Adabum. Circle your lips for dhamma. He. This is mad arid lisukun. You will simply uh, stretch it 4 haraka long, and you will give the wasut on noon, because in noon will get sakun here because of waqt. Muhin. وللكافرين عذاب مهين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.